how to use Sephora Beauty Insider Points. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to use your Sephora Beauty Insider Points. So first thing first, just head over to your Sephora.com website, or if you have application you can also log into via app as well. And once you successfully log in with your login credentials, just head over to your current points balance by simply tapping on view your current point balance option in the app if you are using app. And if you are using online website just like me, then you just have to go to the rewards bazaar section on the Sephora website, and there new rewards are added regularly. So some rewards like beauty insider cash allow you to redeem points for a dollar amount of your purchases. Example, 500 points for $10 off, and you can redeem points for specific sample sizes, full size product or bundles or product. And you can also actually let the beauty advisor know you want to redeem a reward by in-store redemption. So present your virtual Sephora Beauty Pass card on the app or provide your account information, and the beauty advisor will apply the reward to your purchase. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.